The sinking of the tiny ship. First, people are curious. Guys, wait.
Destroyed the machine. That's it.
And everybody thought the ship was sinking. The ship started sinking now. The sinking of the tiny cargo ship.
The machines because we said it was real.
Even what? Oh my gosh. Thank you for telling me. We will be over as soon as possible.
Thank you.
And the ship starts sinking vertical. Water gets inside under this cabin. 5 out of 10, the ship has been submerged. Now the ship is a 6 out of 10 has submerged. Ship almost takes its final plunge.
Come on, everyone. The Hatsune Miku concert is starting soon. Let's go.
The outside, the cargo hold is now submerged. Now the inside is now submerged. Now the bridge is now submerged. Now the restaurant is now submerged. Now ship takes its final plunge.